Let's make your Instagram private. Now, if you want a private account, you don't want random people coming to your account, viewing it, seeing your posts, your photos, stories, reels. I'll show you how to do that. Let's hop into Instagram. And first, I'm going to show you what a private account looks like. So tap search at the bottom left. And I'm just going to search for private here and show you really quickly what other people will see once you set it to private. So I'm going to go to account and just tap on one of these private accounts. You'll see here that it has a follow. It says this account is private. You have to follow them to see their photos and videos. I can see how many posts, followers, and following they have, but I cannot see those specific posts or who's following or who they follow. So this is what your account will look like to people who don't currently follow you. To do that, let's tap on the profile at the bottom right. The three lines at the top right. We'll tap on settings here, and then we'll get into privacy. Now you can see at the very top is private account. You just toggle that on and it says only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. Just hit switch to private. And I don't need to review my followers. Keep in mind a caveat to this is if you have a creator, professional, or a business account, you cannot set it to private. So if you have a business account for saying you want to have a private account, you have to switch it back to a personal Instagram account. And then from there, you can turn on this private. So that's a feature that is limited to only personal accounts that you can set them to private. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.